Riddle me this. What's brown and great for printing PETG? You give up? Well, stick with me because we're going to jump into this together and I'll explain. Welcome to this episode of DIY3DTech.com. In this episode, I want to do a short video on this new bed I'm using for PETG. So I did a prior video where I was using blue painter's tape for PETG because it gave great adhesion plus easy removal. So I had several viewers write to me about using circuit board based bedding to print PETG. It just so happened I had some of this phenol laying around. Now, so you guys might recall I use this and have used this for about 3 years for TPU, and it works great. So when it's warm, it's sort of like PEI for TPU. So the TPU sticks to it well, but once it cools down, the TPU pops right off. The same thing holds true for PETG. So this is a phenolic bed. I'll have a link to Amazon to this below. So there's a couple different versions of this, if you will. So this is the phenol version, and it seems to be working great. So I wanted to test it out for a while to see how it would perform before doing a video on it. And so far, I'm really pleased with this as a solution for printing PETG on it. Now, don't mind a little bit of stringing. I'm using a new slicer and doing some testing with slicers, and you'll see that in the future. But for right now, I just wanted to really focus on the bed. So I'm really happy with this. I'll have links to this down below. If you're into PETG, I have to agree with the viewers, and I highly suggest this. So anyways, if you found it useful and interesting, hey, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, swag shop in the corner, and subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Please click like below and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on all of our projects.